Hello children, good morning. Today we will do the map work related to the industry chapter. Some of the maps you can do directly from the book, but in some of the maps where uh, only selected places are there, especially in the textile industry, this we will do in a separate map. So we have these three types of map work for textile industry. That is one map for cotton textile, one for woolen textile, the other one for silk textile. So we will use three different maps for this three type of textile industry. Rest children, you have the entire iron and steel industry from the iron and steel map, that is which is given in page number just 1 minute, page number 72 of your book, where you have to do all the locations related to this iron and steel industry. And the next one we have in page number 77, that is our software technology part. So all the software technology parts are there in your map work. So this too you can do directly from the book. Just follow the method that I have shown you while doing the mineral resource chapter, that is drawing two lines, and the point of intersection will be the exact location of that place, and be particular regarding the state. It is very important that you locate the place in the state accurately. The state must be correct. That is very important. So now let me start with the textile industry map. So first we will do the silk textile industry map. Now for the silk textile industry, we have this following locations. Number 1 is Baramulla, number 2 Srinagar, number 3 Anantnag. All these three are located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then we have number 4 Varanasi, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Then Murshidabad and Bankura, these two locations are in West Bengal. And then we have three more locations, Kolar, Bangalore and Mysuru. These three are in Karnataka. So first we will start with the locations in Jammu and Kashmir. Now for locating in Jammu Kashmir, the first one is Baramulla. So it's very close to the international border between India and Pakistan. So just little bit away we have this location, Baramulla. The second one is Srinagar. So for locating Srinagar, I have taken one line from this place, that is just in line with Baramulla, almost midway between this line. So this is one line. The other line I have taken at the point where the border is the state border between Kashmir and Punjab is there from this point. So the meeting point is our Srinagar, and just little bit below Srinagar we have the third place, that is Anantnag. So these three locations, I hope it is very clear. Now coming to Varanasi. Now location of Varanasi is also quite easy. You can use two ways by which you can locate Varanasi. One, simply you can take this point of our Bihar, and just in front of it we have Varanasi. Otherwise you can use this location, this intersection point, that is one line I have taken from this point of Bangladesh. The other line I have taken, you can see this round bend which I had always referred while doing the mineral resource chapter. So where this bend is ending, from that point I have drawn a straight line. So at the intersection point itself we have Varanasi. The easier one is to remember this point, that is this bend of Bihar, and just in front of it we have Varanasi. Then coming to our West Bengal, we have two locations. One is Murshidabad. So just at this point, you just above Tropic of Cancer, you have a small bend. Now in this small bend we have this Varanasi, and then on the Tropic of Cancer, little bit away from this border, little bit away from this state border between Jharkhand and West Bengal, we have this place known as Bakura. And then finally coming to the last three locations. Now number 7 here is Kolar. Now Kolar is located here in this bend, okay, of Karnataka, or else you will take one line just from the stomach portion of this eastern coastal plain or of Tamil Nadu. So a straight line from here, and another line will be from this part. You can see this point. So you have this bend. From this bend I have taken a straight line, and the intersection point is our Kolar. Or directly, if you can remember this bend, it's very well and good. And then we have the next one, that is Bangalore. Bangalore is little bit away, just little bit southwest, little bit away. We have this Bangalore, and then we have Mysuru. So for locating Mysuru, it is little bit above our Kerala border, little bit away from the Kerala border and above the Tamil Nadu border. You can see I have just made a little bit of angle here, and here we have this border, this location of Mysuru. So this we are having for our silk industry. Next, coming to the cotton textile industry, children, we have too many locations. Now number 1 is Moradabad, number 2 Kanpur, number 3 is Chennai. Moradabad and Kanpur, these two is in Uttar Pradesh. Then coming to Tamil Nadu, we have Chennai, we have Madurai, we have Coimbatore. These three are in Tamil Nadu. And then we have Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad. These three are in Maharashtra. And then we have Ahmedabad, which is in Gujarat, and number 10 Indore is in MP. Now children, I hope you all have taken down the index of the map work. Number 1 Moradabad, number 2 Kanpur, number 3 is Chennai, number 4 Madurai, number 5 Coimbatore, number 6 Mumbai, number 7 Pune, number 8 Aurangabad, number 9 Ahmedabad, and number 10 Indore, which is in MP. Now the first one, which is in Moradabad. So if you want to locate, children, you will be getting a political map, so there is no problem. So you can see that this point is Moradabad. So if you want to locate, children, you can always draw a straight line from this point. From this point you can draw a straight line in this way. From this bend you can draw a straight line, and then just little bit at an angle with the bend of Nepal, slight angle with the bend of Nepal, you get Moradabad here. Okay, it is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Very slight bend from this corner of Nepal boundary, or you can say this point of Uttar Pradesh boundary, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand boundary. So it is located here, or if you can remember this bend, then it's well and good. Now second one is Kanpur. Now to locate Kanpur, so we will take one line from this point, from this head of our Madhya Pradesh, and some little bit away from this bend you draw the straight line. The intersection point is our Kanpur. Okay, one line from here, that is from this bend, and another line from the head of Madhya Pradesh. Now the next one is our Chennai. Number 3 is Chennai. Chennai is located just at the stomach of Tamil Nadu. Here, the point where it is maximum inflated, this is Chennai. Number 4 is Madurai. Now, for locating Madurai, you can take this point, that is, it is located little bit above this one, above this bend, and midway from this bend. Midway from this bend, just a little bit above midway from this bend, we have this location, that is Madurai. Above this one and in line with this. Number 4 is Madurai. Number 5, Coimbatore. Coimbatore is almost sticking to this Kerala border here. You have to remember this W-shaped bend of Kerala, and here this one Coimbatore is located. Then we have this locations in Maharashtra. So we have Mumbai is in this nose. Always remember, this nose is the exact location of Mumbai. And then Pune is little bit to the southeast of Mumbai, slightly southeast of Mumbai. And then we have this Aurangabad. So Aurangabad, it is to the northeast of Mumbai, slightly above. But for accurate location, you have to follow this rule. Little bit above Mumbai, you draw a straight line, and from this bend of our Karnataka border, if you draw a straight line, you will get the location of Aurangabad. Or else you can take it to the southernmost boundary, the line where it matches, where it joins with this bend of Kerala. If you draw a line from this point of Kerala, a straight line from this point of Kerala, you will get the location, the exact location of Aurangabad. And then we have Ahmedabad here. So for locating Ahmedabad, it is quite simple. One line from this mouth and another line from this mouth. So you have this location of Ahmedabad. And finally, we have this Indore. So for locating Indore, one line from this bend and the other line from this bend. Or else if you take it in this way, this straight line will directly join with Kanyakumari. If you do not remember this bend of Madhya Pradesh, you take it down straight in this way, and it will join directly with our southernmost point, and you get the location of Indore. So this much was there for your cotton textile. Now coming to woolen textile. For woolen textile, we have Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir, Amritsar and Ludhiana in Punjab, Panipat in Haryana, Bikaner in Rajasthan, Agra and Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Jamnagar in Gujarat, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Now starting with Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. So Srinagar we have located in another map, that is in silk textile. So as I said, one line from this bend, the other line from this point. Wherever they are merging, this is the place where we are having Srinagar. Second, Amritsar. Amritsar, you all know that it is almost located close to the, almost touching the border of our Pakistan and India international border. So here is our Amritsar. This location is very important. We are also having an airport there. The third one is Ludhiana. Now for locating Ludhiana, one line from this bulge of our Himachal Pradesh and Punjab border, another from this point. So you can easily get Ludhiana. Panipat is just above our Delhi border. Little bit above Delhi border, we are having Panipat. Number 5 is Bikaner. For locating Bikaner, one line from this bend, another line from this bend. you get the location of Bikaner. One from this bend, another from this bend. Now coming to Agra and Kanpur. So Agra is just above this point of Madhya Pradesh border. Little bit above. Just little bit above this bend of Madhya Pradesh. Now in one map I have showed you how to locate Kanpur with the help of this Madhya Pradesh border. Here I will show you, if you join line with this head of Bangladesh border and one line from here, we have this location which is our Kanpur. Next is Jamnagar in Gujarat. Jamnagar is here, just below this borderline. And then one location in Uttar Pradesh I missed out was Mirzapur. Mirzapur is located very close to Varanasi. Varanasi is located here and Mirzapur is located here. So you can take this boundary of Madhya Pradesh as an indicator. Just above this corner, northeast corner, we are having this Mirzapur location. So in this way we have these different locations of our industry, textile industry. So children, I hope you will complete the map work and follow the video very clearly. Iron and steel industry and the other one, software technology, from this chapter can be done directly from the book, and you can draw lines yourself from the map that is there in your book and easily remember the different locations. Okay children, thank you. Complete the map work and do it neatly with proper index or keynote. Thank you children.